A nibble is half a bite, so welcome to today's Tech Nibble, where we're going to be looking at Tidal's new AI policy. Now, I just got an email from Tidal telling me that they are implementing a new policy with three major points to it. The first is that all AI-generated music will be tagged inside the app with an AI tag, so you can see when you're listening to AI-generated music. The second thing is they're saying they will not tolerate in any way AI-generated music that pretends to be music from an existing artist. So any fraudulent activity is just not allowed, and they're just going to implement tools that as soon as they see that, they just get removed from their service. And the third, and probably the most important, is that AI music can't be monetized. So there's no incentive now to upload music to Tidal, AI generated music to Tidal, and then you get money because it's streamed and because people are playing it. And in fact, they won't even allow direct sales to users of an album like that. So no monetization for AI music at all, which basically kind of cuts off the majority of the reasons why people upload to sites like Tidal for AI music, because they want the monetization from it. So no more on Tidal. Now, they do note that they're going to update this policy in the future as the tools improve. Then there may be some kind of leeway to allow monetization for certain types of AI music, but that's in the future when the tools are better at recognizing AI music compared to human generated music and so on. Okay, so there you go. Love to hear your thoughts on that. Okay, that's the Tech Nibble for today. I'll see you in the next one.